Hi everyone. My car died about a couple of days ago because I haven't used it for a few weeks, and so I went on Amazon to order one of these Dsusma jump starter kits. So here's the box that it comes in, and here is the actual jump pack. Here's the specs and model information, the G32PL, and we're going to try using it. So first I charged it up, and here's the flashlight. Here's two USB ports, and here's where we connect this part for jump starting our car. Here's the carry case that comes in, and here's some instructions to go with the warranty card. So I'm gonna go walk over to my car and I'm going to try it and see if we're successful. So we're gonna start with trying to turn on the car. We see it's 100% dead since I haven't driven it for a few weeks. And now we're going to go pop the hood and we're going to try to jump start it. So here's the battery for my car. Here's my Dsusma jump starter. So I have it plugged in, it's turned on. Got my red and black cables over here. So we're going to take the negative. The negative is going to connect to the negative part of the battery or to the actual car, frame of the car. And the red is going to connect to the positive. So let's see how this works. Okay, that's connected. This is on. See, we got a green light. Whoops. Got a green light there, but I moved around too much. Okay, it's on. Got a green light. I'm gonna go try turning on the car. So here we are. We got the hood up. We're gonna go try turning it on. Let's hope this works, or else this video looks bad. You can see it's trying to start. Oh, there we go. That flashing is just the way the video is coming out. But we see that this jump starter worked. So that's my Dsusma portable jump pack. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer your questions. Thank you.